Hi, today I'd like to show you how to make this soccer ball. First you will need to make a small ball, about 1 inch in diameter, and then 20 smaller balls, probably like half an inch if not smaller each. This is how I make them all even. You can use a different way, I don't know, or whichever you like. And then you will need 12 black balls, a little bit smaller than the white ones, almost the same. Again, this is my way, this is how I make them even. In centimeters there would be probably like 1 centimeter each, and the white ones 1.2. I mean, yeah, 1.2 centimeters. And now I put all of this together. The bigger ball should be dry, because it's just easier to if it's hard. You put a little bit of water, but just a little bit, or edible glue, whatever you prefer. I use water. Yeah, just don't put too much, because if you do, the black fondant will just make everything black. It will not look neat. So if you put a little bit, it will be neat and nice. So this is how you do it. 1 black ball and 5 white ones around each of them. So now you make it even, and this is the ball. Like, share, and follow me for more videos. Thank you for watching.